Good day, students. This is for ABC, and I am reporting from Mmuta. On the board, we have mathematics and then rationalization of surds as our subtopic. How do you rationalize surd? It is simply a way, or it is simply making the denominator of a surd to be a rational number. We say that a rational number or rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed as a ratio of two integers. You understand? Mind you, surds are not rational numbers. Root 2 is not a rational number. Root 3 is not a rational number. Root 7 is not a rational. All these are not rational numbers. So, for you to rationalize a surd, you must get rid of that surd at the denominator. And how do you do that? That is what we are going to learn now. Okay. If you have, we have questions we are going to try, but before we try that, let us look at this. If you have like A over square root of B and you want to rationalize this, I believe that before now we learned equivalent fractions or the concept of equivalent fractions. And whenever you multiply the numerator of a fraction with the same number, use the multiply the denominator, nothing changes. That means 2 over 3, you can have times 10 over 10. For it to be 2 times 10, which is 20, and this to be 3 times 10, which is 30. 20 over 30 is equivalent to 2 over 3, so nothing changes. However, we won't multiply with just any number. We are going to look for that number that will make this rational, and that number is square root of B, provided that B is not 0. Okay, so we multiply by root B over root B. From what we learned from multiplication of surds, this is going to multiply this, so we have our A root B as our answer. And then root B, we multiply root B, we have only B as our answer. If you watch it now, the denominator is no longer a surd. But this is still equivalent to this. So let us apply it here. We have 4 over root 3. How do we rationalize this? We simply look at this and multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 3. So we have 4 over root 3 times root 3 over root 3. 4 will multiply root 3. We get 4 root 3 as our answer. Root 3 will multiply root 3. We get 3 as our answer. So this becomes 4 root 3 all over this is 3. Assuming we are having a number here, and that number is divisible by 3, you can say 3 divide that number. But since 3 cannot divide the number that is here, you leave it like that. Okay, in this case, you have 5 over root 10. You repeat same method over root 10 times root 10 over root 10. So this is 5 times root 10 is 5 root 10 over. Root 10 times root 10 is going to give us 10. So we have 10 here. But if you watch this, you are going to see that 5 can go, or 5 and 10, both of them are having something in common, and that is 5. 5 can cancel this and equally divide this. So 5 into this is going to give us 1, and 5 into this is going to give us 2. So the final answer becomes 1 root 10 over 2. You want to leave your answer like this? That is wrong. Clear this one. Okay, so it is simply root 10 over 2. So let us look at the third one. We have root 30 divided by root 6. So because of space, let us multiply this by root 6 over root 6 straight away. And what are we going to have? We are going to have 30 root 6 over root 6 times root 6 is going to give us 6. And then 6 will go into 30. We have 5 as our answer. So everything evaluates to 5 root 6. Okay, this one on the board, we have, this is a surd and this is equally a surd. So we have times root 3 over root 3. And root 7 times root 3 is going to give us square root of 21 over. Root 3 times root 3 is going to give us 3. And of course, this root 21, you can't further break it down. So you leave your answer like that. Assuming you can further simplify this root of 21, then you are free to break it down to the simplest form. But since you can't do that, leave it in this form. Okay, the last question we have for today is 6 root 3 divided by root 2. How do we do this? We multiply by the denominator, which is root 2 over root 2. We multiply and divide also. And if we do that, we are going to get it that root 6 we multiply root 3, we multiply root 2. And of course, root 3 times root 2 is going to give us root 6. So we have 6 root 6 all over Root 2 we multiply root 2, we get 2 as our answer. We have that 2 here. And what happens? The 2 under here, we cancel this one. We have 3 as our answer. So everything evaluates to 3 root 6. I hope you learned something. Please like, share, comment, and equally follow us on Facebook so that you are going to be getting notification once we upload other videos. Thanks and God bless you.